Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rotarian Shripal Daftari, and on behalf of President Sanjay Dwivedi and incoming President Rajendra Shah and all the members of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each one of you. We appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to join us today for our club's charter night and installation ceremony. Friends, today we have come together to carry out one of the most important activities of our club, the installation of our new leader and the directors. We are excited about the potential our club has for the growth and development under these leaders. To begin this program, may I request President Sanjay to please call meeting to order.
Good evening, friends. I call the meeting to order. Please rise for the national anthem. भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
I request the dignitaries to please come for the lighting of the lamp. Friends, every president must devote a tremendous amount of time and energy to the duties and responsibilities of the club. It seems that with every passing year, these responsibilities grow. It takes a very talented and a committed person to balance these responsibilities with the personal life and professional life. Our president this year, Rotarian Sanjay Dwivedi, has done a remarkable job doing just that. To share his experience and to give his report, may I invite President Sanjay Dwivedi. Please give him a round of applause.
Chief guest, DG Rotarian Rajendra Agrawal, District Secretary Sanjay Shah, Devang Goradia, I'm sorry, I missed, DG&D Arun Bhargavaji, AG Lata Jha, AG Sneh Malhotra, past presidents from my club, Rotaractors, DRR nominee Jamin Shah, incoming president Smiti and Rahul, past presidents from my club and all the friends, I greet and welcome you all to this evening. It has been an honor for me to serve this club as its 34th president. Our club has just completed 34th year and today it's its birthday. So every installation day we also celebrate our charter day. We were chartered on 29th of June 1987. It has been a mini roller coaster ride for me the past 1 year. It's humbling as well as an elevating experience simultaneously. Humbling because now I found that I knew so less about human nature and social issues. One feels daft when he looks at the problems being faced by the society. It is rewarding because you learn so many things and you are also able to contribute to the society, even if that contribution is a minuscule. As a president, I also got to know my club and club members very closely. Given the constraints placed on physical movement and the emotionally draining situation, I have attempted in the year to focus mainly on 3 things. First was to have good speakers. Throughout the year, every Friday, we tried to bring a good speaker. Second thing that I focused on was some online fellowship programs which will make us laugh together, smile together, and get emotional together. Third thing that I focused on was some projects that I could possibly do during the year in spite of all the physical restrictions. Now, really, it was very draining situation, particularly from January onwards. Till December, I was hoping against hope that everything will be fine, we will restart, we will open. That was fine. And then it came January when the first tragedy happened in our club. We lost our dear friend Rotarian Chirag Shah, just a 48-year-old person. And from then onwards, it became too draining for us, too much strain. I don't know about everyone, but personally for me, because one after another, so many relatives, so many friends, they were getting infected, and I lost a few. I myself got infected in March. I lost 2-3 of my relatives. I lost my younger brother. It was too draining. In that situation, yes, I tried, and I'll try to show certain glimpses of the things that we did in the last year. So, please start. Yeah, this is some speaker. You can see the subject and the name of the speaker there. These subjects are innovative. We decided in that year to not have routine speakers, those speaking on management, law, finance, economics, etc., etc. We went to literature, music, films, extraordinary things, different things we did, and this is what we aimed, that everyone should laugh. Now, 1 minute. Yes. So this was the goal, and I think we achieved it to some extent. During the year, we also had an honor to release books of our own member, senior member, Rotarian P.P. Radhakrishnan. 3 books he wrote on Rotary, and 3 books are kind of story books, collection of stories. So these are the 3 books, and you can show the books there. Okay, just dikha dijiye. So he wrote those 3 books: Rotary Prelims, Rotary Capsule, and Rotary Some Do's and Don'ts. Next. Now, and these are the story books. So that's a kind of best possible utilization of the lockdown that one has done. Now, towards membership, this is the statistics. Originally in 1920 we had 50 members, out of which 9 resigned on 30th of last year. So we began the year with 41, 2 left us during the year, and 8 new members joined. So today we are 47, and 2 more members are joining today. So we'll be 49. 3? Okay, so 3 members are joining. Now it is 50. Great. So let us have a look who are the members who joined last year. Just, yes. Satish Soni, he is a chartered accountant. Fast move kijiye. Selvi Ganeshan, she is a superintendent of Central GST. Rotarian Kiran Shetty, he is a manufacturer of electronics and electrical items. Pankaj Agarwal, he is an interior project, oil and gas projects for refineries. Dr. Ayushi Bothra, she is a dermatologist. Mr. Sumit Gala, he is manufacturer of industrial springs. Dr. Haresh Manglani, he is an orthopedic surgeon. And Jay Kotecha, he deals in pre-owned cars. These are the 8 members who joined last year. Now, we come to some projects. Just a few projects we are going to see here, not all the projects. Yeah, please move. So this is the first project. We did a global grant project within 3 months. It was done most swiftly, a 41.8 lakh project. This was a donation to Tata Hospital. Yeah, next. This is a CSR project and it was sponsored by BDP International, and in fact they have sponsored 2 CSR projects and we have done both the projects. Next. We did 17 pediatric heart surgeries during the year. We conducted 2 blood donation camps. Distribution of ration kits. This was a huge requirement during the COVID times. We could not do much, but what we did is we distributed 200 kits. Each kit was roughly around 800 rupees. Then, okay, we also distributed 3,000 cooked meals during the year, and we have already planned to distribute 3,000 more cooked meal from in a day or 2. That will start. We had a career guidance seminar. Yes, last year the government announced the new national education policy, and on 5th of September on Teachers' Day we had this panel discussion where 3 eminent panelists joined and they discussed the new policy threadbare, and it was attended roughly by 500 parents, children, and some Rotarians from other clubs. We did this project. You can see the background in what situation that Balwadi is being run. It's a hut, and there we have started with distribution of notebooks. Tomorrow we are going to distribute raincoats, umbrella, sandals. We are also going to give blackboard, tube lights and fans. They don't have the basic facilities. This is a summary. I have not put pictures of all the projects. This is the summary. Projects where we were host, 63 projects worth 73.16 lakhs. Projects where we were a co-host, 21 projects, 59,000, and projects where we just participated, 4 such projects, total 87 projects. Apart from that, there is a contribution of 3.4 lakhs to TRF. Our total contribution this year was 77.18 lakh. If we bifurcate these projects into avenues of service, then this is how we have done it. Club service is 22, medical services is 35, non-medical is 17, youth is 3, and vocational is 11. These projects could be classified in this particular manner. Next. So friends, with this I come to close of my presentation. I congratulate the new incoming president, Mr. Rotarian Rajendra K. Shah. Rajendra K. Shah is an experienced entrepreneur with excellent execution capabilities. My best wishes to him and his team. And he has formed a team of experience and energy. That is a good combination that he has taken. I believe that it will be year of the dreams coming true. Thank you. Now, this last year, whatever we did, that was possible by our team and by members of our club. At the beginning of my year, I had spoken a sentence. Some of you will remember. The sentence was, मैं पैर उतना फैलाऊंगा जितनी बड़ी चादर होगी, मेरी चादर आप लोग हैं. और आज मैं गर्व के साथ, सुकून के साथ ये कह सकता हूँ कि मैंने अच्छा पैर फैलाया, बहुत दूर तक फैलाया. आप लोगों ने मुझे फैलाने का मौका दिया, वो भी कोरोना में. So That is because of you people. Now, some of you have done exceptional works. I want to recognize those people, and we have certain trophies. There has been, traditionally we had 8 trophies. One trophy was announced by Bhupesh Gupta in memory of his late wife Sunita Gupta. So that becomes 9 trophies, and 3 awards I am giving from my side, because those 9 trophies did not cover all people whom I wanted to reward. In fact, even this 12, thoda kam pad raha hai mujhe, but still, I'll do with this 10, this 12. So first, most active new Rotarian, she joined this year, and she was so active in spite of her very, very hectic schedule. She is a doctor, and doctors can understand how hectic their schedule goes. So, Rotarian Dr. Ayushi Botra, she gets the award for most active new Rotarian. Great. So someday you will be a doctor. PP Ramesh Swaroop Memorial Rotating Trophy for the best Rotary couple of the year. I'll request
डिस्ट्रिक्ट की ट्रॉफी वैसे
These are rotating trophies, and therefore, along with these trophies, we have kept plaques which can remain with the person. Next, best Rotarian. इस साल अगर हमारे क्लब में अच्छे फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम्स हुए हैं, तो इट इज मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ 3 ants, दैट इज आरती कनोडिया, बीना दफ्तरी एंड सेजल शाह. She has always been very proactive, very supportive. Sunita Gupta Memorial Trophy for Vocational Service. This is the new trophy that we have instituted from this year. Jayashree Bhagwat, she was instrumental in our panel discussion on the education policy, and she worked so hard for that. Next. Best committee chairman of the year. If we had good speakers, it is thanks to our program committee. And Mr. Narayan Sharma was the chairman. He personally contributed so many good speakers. Of course, the other person is Mr. Vivek Bhagwat. Now this is a trophy, another trophy from the Gupta family, Shri Meghraj Gupta Rotating Trophy for Service Above Self, and this goes to none other than Naresh T. Sitaraman, who, in spite of his personal issues, his problems, he brought 2 CSR projects to the club worth 22 lakh rupees. Best Rotarian of the year. So I thought that everyone would say that I am biased, and I tried not to give any trophy to Sharad ji, but in ultimate analysis it became impossible. I must tell you that I had not shown this presentation to Sharad ji. So, till this moment he was not aware of it. Next, Sharad ji. Philanthropist of the year. Dr. Paresh Thakkar has been a school book style philanthropist, a person who gives money to the club for good causes. He has supported 9 heart surgeries. And most active past president of the year. I have seen many persons, but my trainer, Shripal Daftari, he faces over everyone. He has been most active, most proactive person in the club. I had never to ask a question to him. He was always ready with the answer. He proactively informed several things to me. He was a true trainer, true guide. Thank you, Shripal, for that. Now, I wish to give some recognition awards from my side. Those were not instituted in the club. This is to Dr. Manjiri Malekar Oak, and she was instrumental in execution of our global grant project. She ran so many times to the Tata Hospital, even in this pandemic time, and I must recognize her efforts. The next person is my editor, who was always harassed by me. And
That is true.
he was so gracious, always advising right things to me. Very practical advices, best advices. Thank you, Anupji. And last is Rotarian Vivek Bhagwat, and he was instrumental in bringing very nice speakers and giving me a very good perspective about what kind of speakers we should have, what kind of fellowship programs we should have. So, thank you, Vivekji. Now I see that several identities have changed today. Thank you, DG Rajendraji. So that is all, friends, from my side. Thank you.
That was some great work done by President Sanjay in spite of the challenging times. Thank you, President Sanjay, for what you have done for the club. I think President requires one more round of applause. Friends, in a club, no other ceremony is as important as installing the President and his team. For those being installed, it is a visible demonstration of their commitment and dedication to the organization. To show us the way forward, with his commitment and dedication, we have a very dynamic leader taking up the mantle for this year. May I request past President Ashish Kanodia to kindly introduce our incoming leader, Rotarian Rajendra Shah.
Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to introduce our incoming president, R.K. Shah, popularly known as R.K. R.K. is a Rotarian since 1992. After completion of his graduation in commerce, he joined the family business of Tikitar at the age of only 21. He was trained by his father, Mr. Kantila D. Shah. He, along with his two brothers, played vital role in expansion of the business. Presently, the business has completed 50 years of its existence and has evolved into multiple joint ventures with multinationals. The main companies are Tikitar Industries Baroda Limited, Tikitar and Shell India Private Limited, Tikitar Danosa India Private Limited. The business controls about 20% of the total market of the bitumen supply in India. Rotarian R.K. Shah believes that patriotism, honesty and teamwork is the only way of living and progress, and that every human has right to basic needs like clean water, electricity and good medical treatment. Developing new products is his core skill. RK is multi-PHS and a major donor to the Rotary Foundation, providing critical medical assistance to children with heart condition is close to his heart. Rotarian RK Shah likes traveling, walking, cinema. Scandinavian countries are his favorite destination due to its level of education, medical and infrastructure facilities. Rajendra Shah is happily married to Parul Shah, who is a housewife. They have a son and daughter, Hardik and Shruti, both of whom are active participants in the family business. Our Raj Kapoor, RK. जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, and the show must go on. We have our RK back. Presents to you, Mr. RK Shah.
Thank you, Ashish. Now it is time to call our incoming president. So I request Rajendra ji, Sanjay and RK to please come forward.
Declare Rajendra Shah as the dream president of this prestigious club, and I'm giving this आपके पास
Yes, एक फोटो इसके लीजिए.
The most important
बजाओ.
ज्वेलरी है.
अथॉरिटी दी
बजाते रहो.
Friends, please welcome President Rajendra Shah for his acceptance speech and to showcase his plans and projects for the Dream Year 21-22.
Today's chief guest, District Governor Rotarian Rajendra Agrawal ji, galaxy of past governors, District Secretary Sanjay Shah, Assistant Governor Latta Jha, past and present President officials, fellow presidents, fellow partners in service, Rotarians from Rotary Club of Mulund Hills, other Rotarians, aunts and aunts, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, friends. I feel honored to be elected as 35th President of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills for the Dream Year 2021-22. I am proud of 34 years of rich history of our club and 116 years of unmatched performance of our organization, the Rotary International. I take the heavenly blessing from my parents on his momentous day. When whatever I am today is because of them. I value the support given to me by my wife Parul, son Hardik and daughter Shruti. Friends, the motto of Rotary Service Above Self has never been more relevant and appropriate than it has become now. In order to fulfill my objectives of Rotary, I shall be guided by the wisdom and support of senior members, past presidents, current president, and incoming president. I look forward to support of new members as well. I am fortunate to have the blessing of District Governor Rotarian Rajendra Agrawal ji and his able district team. We are proud that Rotary year 21-22 shall be presided over by Rotarian Sekhar Mehta as RI President. With their support, we shall be able to deliver on all the 5 avenues of Rotary, namely club service. Same year 21-22 shall be devoted to membership development and growth, education and literacy, economic and community development, TRF support, disease prevention and treatment, vocational service, peace and conflict resolution, water and sanitation, maternal and child health, youth service and fellowship. Total focus of our activities during the dream year 21-22 shall be on meaningful pandemic relief projects, educational programs for needy students, including but not limited to scholarship, career guidance and employment generation programs, food distribution among poorest of poor, medical projects including but not limited to pediatric and cataract surgeries, blood donation camps, tree plantations and forest growth projects, water conservation and sanitation projects, regular weekly club meetings, club assemblies, family meets and fellowship evenings, festival celebrations, strategic planning and members and directors orientation programs, fireside meetings for new members, induction of new members, TRF contributions, global and district grant projects. Together we shall dream for better tomorrow and serve to change lives. I accept the presidentship of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills humbly and with sincerity. I am assured of full support and cooperation from Club Secretary Rotarian C.K. Suri and my Board of Directors. Last but not least, I am thankful on behalf of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills to Rotarian Sanjay Dwivedi, outgoing President, and Rotarian Sarat Jain, outgoing Club Secretary, for their good performance in the year 2021 despite challenging pandemic times. Truly, vision will make dreams come true. God willing, we shall play our part in assuring the end of pandemic sooner than later and return to normal times of frolic and fellowship. Needless to say that four-way test will be our guiding policy, namely, is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Is it beneficial to all concerned? On a very sober note, I pay my respectful homage to our smart past president, Rotarian Chirag Shah, who left for his heavenly abode in January 2021. I have been in this position only because of his persuasion and motivation. I have been in Rotary since 1992, but only because of my beloved friend and noble Rotarian late Chirag Shah, I became more active in Rotary. I dedicated the incoming Rotary year 2021-22 to his memory. Thank you, धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, जय जिनेंद्र. I now request to Bhupesh Gupta to please introduce my team of Board of Directors during 2021-22. Bhupesh.
Really, the memory of Chirag is always with us, and he's not a friend. He was like my brother. I brought him to the Rotary, but I miss him too much. But as they say, the show must go on. I am here to introduce the new team for the year 2020-21. As you know, the president is Rajendra Shah, past president Sanjay Ji. I'll start with the secretary. We have the club secretary. Club secretary is Rotarian Chandar Kansuri. He was marketing consultant and ex-executive for Hawkins. बहुत बार आपके घर में जो सीटी बजती है वो यही साहब बजाते हैं. And next is President-elect. President-elect is club treasurer. अपना माल मच्चा बचाने के रखने के लिए सीए से अच्छा कौन आदमी होएगा? रोटेरियन सीए आशीष कनोडिया. ये पहले आपको लोन दिलाते हैं, उसके बाद में जब आप लोन नहीं दे सकते हैं तो आपको बैंकरप्सी से भी बचाते हैं. His firm name is My Loan Experts and he is chartered accountant, loan syndication and insolvency professional. Rotarian Sharat Chandran will be our president-elect for Rotary year 2021-22. He owns the company names Jain Sharat Chandran Company. He is a taxation and investment consultancy. अपने जैसे सीए बहुत है, किसको भी पैसा बचाना हो, जमा करना हो, टैक्सेशन में कैसा बचना, सब हमारे पास पूरा टीम है. और जीएसटी में भी प्रॉब्लम है तो 5% तो है ही. Our Sanjay Dwivedi is IPP and he is also a bulletin editor. This is the first time happening in our club that past president has accepted the post of bulletin editor also. Thank you very much, Sanjay. And I am sure this year you will get the best of the bulletins because he is a very creative, very creative man. Our next board of directors is again the chartered accountant. I told you, हम लोग का भर के है chartered accountant. Satish Soni, Rotarian Satish Soni. He is SS Projects Advisors. His company name is. He is Industrial Subsidy and Government Grants Consultancy Specialist. Satish, पीछे आ जाइए. Our next is club trainer, Hunterman, but very soft. Rotarian Dr. Anup Kumar Gupta. आधे बच्चे बम्बई में इसी की वजह से घूम रहे हैं. He's a gynecologist and infertility specialist. His company name is clinic name is Amrita Fertility Clinic.
It's a manufacturing firm.
You can definitely tell. Our surgeon at arms is Rotarian Harkishan Sharma, advocate and Rotary. Harkishan ji. Our next board of director is Rotarian Kishore Shah. ये आपके घरों को महका के रखते हैं हमेशा. यहाँ पे भी आप जो सुगंध पा रहे हैं वो उन्हीं की बदौलत. He's a owner of a Hem Corporation incense stick manufacturer. Our next board of directors is Dr. D.L. Patil. ये आपको क्या बताऊं, प्लास्टिक सर्जन है, लेजर सर्जरी करते हैं. बहुत लोग अगर आप नहीं पहचानते जिनको आपने पैसा दिया है तो इनसे पूछो पुराना फेस कौन सा था, नया कौन सा है. His clinic name is Amrit Laser Clinic. Our next board of director is Dr. Manjari Malshekar Oak. I think she is not here, but she is owning a Amia Eye Clinic. She is ophthalmologist and eye care specialist. Our next board of director is Dr. Rotarian Pankaj Agarwal. He is a director for Levon International Private Limited. He is a turnkey interior project and insulation work specialist in refineries. Our next board of director is Director Vocational Service, Rotarian Rajnikant Bhai Parekh. He is a logistics and transportation specialist, a very jovial person, हमेशा मुस्कुराते हैं और हमारे क्लब के सबसे सीनियर मेंबर है, बट सबसे दिल के सबसे जवान आदमी यही हैं. So give him a big round of applause. He is always smiling, always full of enthusiasm. His company name is Special Movers. He owns a fleet of trucks and food trawlers. Please. Our next board of directors is from Youth Service, Rotarian J. Koteja. I think he is not here. He runs a O Motor, which is pre-owned car dealer. He is a pre-owned car dealer. Our next board of director for club service is Rotarian Valsha Koletkar. She is ex-deputy commissioner of GST. Our next board of director for district Thirst area, Rotarian Dr. P.P. Radhakrishnan. Should I introduce him? I don't think we need him. Everybody in district knows him. He runs the Indian Institute of Export and Import Management and Import-Export Foreign Trade Consulting. He is a writer of many books, especially in Rotary and this story books. And our next board of director for Rotary Foundation support, we call lovingly Paul in Papaji. Unfortunately, he is not here today. Rotarian past president Vijay Narula. Yeah, all of them on Zoom. Next board of director is a big-hearted man, Rotarian past president Dr. Paresh Thakkar. He is director for Rotary Foundation programs at district emphasis area. In our Rotary, whenever we see to district for any fund, then we have a one man. You can always get us the fund. And second thing, he always makes sure the fund is spending on the specific projects and the report should go on time. He is a hunter man in our club. So, but he is a gem to a club. Thank you very much, Paresh. He owns a prime Dental Products Private Limited. And now the gem of the Board of Director Citation Awards and E-Administrator, Rotarian Shripal Daftari, past President Rotarian Shripal Daftari. He is a solvent and petrochemical dealer. His company name is Nine Organics Private Limited. And one day I wish Rajendra ji, he will be on that side and pinning somebody like us. And last but not least, here truly, Rotarian Bhupesh Gupta, past president. हम आपको ठंडा रखते हैं. I am in the field of refrigeration. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rajendra.
Very hard to give us a splendid year. I would request Rotary and Aarti to recognize and hand over a memento to Rotary and Shobha Budhyal, partner of outgoing treasurer, Rotarian RS Budhyal. Shobha ji is not here, so I would request Sejal to kindly take the memento on her behalf. Now may I request Rotary and Ruby ji to offer memento to Rotary and Anju Jain, partner of outgoing club secretary, Rotarian Sharad Jain. I would request incoming First Lady Rotary and Parul Shah to offer memento to outgoing First Lady Rotary and Savita Dwivedi, partner of President Sanjay. Friends, I would, before going ahead, I would like to recognize the presence of father of our club, Ramesh Motwani ji. Welcome, sir. I would request incoming treasurer Ashish to offer memento to outgoing treasurer Budhyal ji. Bhupesh, can you collect on his behalf? Budhyal ji is not here. Incoming Secretary C.K. Stuli ji, please offer a memento to outgoing Secretary C.A. Sharad Jain. Now I would request Rajendra ji to offer a memento to our outgoing President Sanjay Dwivedi. There is a special memento for President Sanjay Dwivedi on behalf of team RCMH. I would request DG Rajendra ji to kindly.
Thank you. Thanks for that.
Friends, as announced earlier, we are very proud that our past President Dr. P.P. Radhakrishnan has authored 3 books on Rotary. I request PP to join us on the stage and request DG Rajendra ji to kindly release the books.
year digitally launched by Rajendra ji on May 16th during UTA. Now this was a physical topic. We delayed it because of Corona and everybody wanted you to do this physical launch as well. So tomorrow onwards this will be available for everybody. So there is a small cost and there is a link is sent to every president. You can buy and a good part of that will go towards Rotary Foundation.
Will we get autographed copy?
Yeah, that will cost slightly more.
PP charges for that, for his autograph. Thank you, PP. Congratulations. Friends, now is the time to introduce and induct new members to our RCMH family. We are extremely glad that following members accepted our invitation to join Rotary and in the process strengthened our club. May I request Rotarian past President Harkishan Sharma ji to kindly introduce the members and request Sandeep Dixit and Disha to join on the stage with your family. Actually, there were 5 inductions today, but 3 could not make it due to some reason, mainly COVID. Sampada, can you please join on stage? I would request Disha to please join.
Good evening, friends. It gives me immense pleasure in introducing new member Sandeep Dixit. Friends, Sandeep Dixit is not new to our club. He has been our member, but he has to resign for his personal reasons. Today is his Ghar Wapsi. Rajendra ji, we are inviting Ghar Wapsi. About Sandeep Dixit. Sandeep Dixit is an alumnus of Sir J.J. School of Applied Arts, Mumbai, graduated in 1992. His company name is Blue Skies and located in Mulund East, is into advertising and social media marketing. Friends, he has worked for more than 450 clients till date, including the Indian Navy for 3 years. Friends, he specializes in content marketing and getting qualified leads to any business. He is fond of traveling, meeting people and reading. Friends, he is happily married to Sampada Dixit, who is with us today, who is also his business partner. The couple is blessed with son Shriyas Dixit. He is currently pursuing his engineering from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad. Ladies and gentlemen, please put hands together with thunder applause and welcome the Sandeep Dixit, our new member.
Yeah.
Welcome, Sandeep ji. Yeah. Friends, it again gives me great pleasure in introducing our new member, Disha Nagda. Disha Nagda is BA English Literature from KC College and diploma holder in Media and Advertising from Wellingers Institute. She is a HR professional and is into talent acquisition, mainly into media and entertainment industry. She is a partner in firm named Executive Hunters and has 200 companies associated with her for HR recruitment. She has experience in the field of HR recruitment with media companies like 9X Media, Big FM, Reliance Quiz Corporation, Focus Circle brand for more than 15 years. Friends, she is daughter of Dilip Nagda and Mrs. Swarsha Nagda. She has been a road actor in her college days at KC College. Friends, she stays with her parents, elder brother and his family at Mulund currently, after having shifted from South Mumbai some 7 years back. She is highly goal-oriented, career-focused individual and loves to socialize and involve herself in social and welfare activities. Friends, please welcome our new Rotarian, Disha Nagda.
I would request Dr. P.P. Radhakrishnan to administer the oath to the new members.
Thank you. Very good evening, everyone. See, we were to actually induct 5 people today. 3 of them could not join, so I was told that they will be inducted on the coming Friday. Now, a small introduction, words of introduction. There will be the oath. Now, dear Rotarian Sandeep Dixit and Disha Nagda, this is how you will be addressed from today onwards. You have been selected by the members of this club to hold active membership. The principles, responsibilities and obligations of Rotary have been explained to you, and you have expressed your willingness to become a Rotarian. No one is eligible to become a Rotarian unless, in his or her business or professional life, he or she endeavors to practice the principles of goodwill and service. The members of this club had invited you to join them because they believe you are already actuating these principles. In electing you to membership, we are doing more than taking you into fellowship. We are making you a trustee with us of Rotary's ideals. Knowing you to be a Rotarian, the world will henceforth judge Rotary by your conduct. Please note that. Now I am going to a small oath, and I just read out. When I say I, you can say your name. I pledge before this assembly of fellowship of fellow Rotarians that I shall dedicate myself to the ideals of Rotary through service to mankind at all times, and that I shall faithfully serve this club by regular attendance and full participation in the committee work. I pledge that I shall hold high the objectives of Rotary by practice and propagation in all aspects of activity. I also pledge that I shall be guided by the 4-way test in thought and action. I also pledge that I shall exert every influence available to me to promote peace, understanding, goodwill and betterment among all fellow beings. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, Bibi. Welcome, Sandeep. Welcome, Disha. Sampada, spouse membership is at a discounted rate. Friends, now it is the time to honor the TRF givers. I would request DG Rajendra ji to kindly hand over the PHF pins to the proud recipients. Firstly, Dr. P.P. Radhakrishnan is achieved PHF plus 4 status.
Rajendra is not far from Bijapur.
Yes. Noted. 4-5 बुक साइन करेगा तो हो जाएगा.
Next is I would like to invite Rotarian Pradeep Savla. He is attained PHF plus 2 status.
Sorry.
So that is not his.
Plus 2. Sorry.
Rotarian Rajnikant Parekh, PHF plus 2. Rotarian past president Vijay Narulaji is not here. He is with us on the Zoom. He is PHF +2. Dr. Pratap Lilani, PHF +1. Prakash Keshan Chandan is not here. He is PHF +2, and Rotarian Vijay Vadakbalkar is also not present. He is PHF +1. So thank you very much. Now I would request Rotarian Satish Soni to introduce Assistant Governor Rotarian Lata Jha and request her to kindly bless the club and introduce today's chief guest, District Governor-elect Rotarian Rajendra Agarwal.
We welcome Rotarian Lata Jha. She is the past president from Rotary Club of Mumbai, Bhandup. In Rotary since from last 24 years. She was a district office bearer since 2014 on different avenues. Rotarian Lata Ashok Jha is a qualified interior designer from Garodia School of Interior Designing and Green Building consultant from Indian Green Building Council, IGBC, Hyderabad, and Graha Terry University, Delhi. She has been into social work and philanthropy for the last 25 years and the founder president of Green Sonic Foundation. She has received awards for outstanding work in the field of environment from corporate and by Cabinet Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in 2017. UNESCO and IIT Bombay have invited her for presenting the papers on water security in rural and urban areas. Her social engagements at various places. She was executive committee member of CFBP, Council for Fair Business Practice. She was life member of Consumer Guidance Society of India. She was the president of Inner Wheel of Mumbai Bhandup 2001-2002, president of Rotary Club of Mumbai Bhandup 2017-18. She is blessed with a daughter, a media professional, and a son into event management, and a music composer and guitarist. We welcome her. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Satish Soni, for the nice introduction. Good evening.
Good evening.
Rajendra ji, District Governor Rajendra ji, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and good evening to all. I congratulate IPP Sanjay ji for his finest contribution to the Rotary, to your club, and even in the challenging time he has done so many good projects. He stood with the time and he did justice with his duties in the Rotary. So I congratulate him and his team. Now, I know your club because I am a 24-year-old Rotarian, and I know your club is much more older than me. You are doing fantastic work since last 34 years, and here Shripal is my co-president. I know the way he was working and he's so digital savvy man. Even we used to take his advices. And since we are your neighbors, Pandu Club is always, we all work together. So I know the kind of projects you all are doing. It's a very, very strong club. We are witnessing it. So many projects you are doing, on every avenue, you try to do something or the other. And I appreciate your signature project, which you are conducting for last 27 years, that is elocution competition. And for youth, you are doing a fantastic football tournaments every year. So I really appreciate your work, and I really, be a part of your gathering for today. Now I would like to congratulate and welcome President Rajendra Shah and the First Lady Parul. And I've heard his speech, and I assure you, whatever interaction or discussions we had before this, so many interactions and discussions we had, and I find him very promising, and he will take your club to next height. So I welcome President Rajendra and his team. And now I am privileged and honored to introduce our District Governor, Rajendra ji. Dr. Rajendra Agarwal is known by a very special name, Service Governor, and embodies the very concept of Rotary's existence worldwide, service above self. Rajendra ji is a postgraduate in textile engineering from premier institutions, BJTI, and also a postgraduate with distinction in diploma in business management from BJTI itself. Dr. Rajendra ji has also done 3-year diploma course in naturopathy. He holds family textile business called R. Pyarelal Private Limited and Sudhiti Industries Limited. Sudhiti Industry received award for second biggest exporter of knitted fabrics at the hands of the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He is the architect of signing MOU with Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis for Mission Muskan. And so far he has completed more than 2,500 surgeries from 2016 till today in pediatric heart surgeries. He also helped for 2 heart transplantation, many liver transplantation, cancer surgeries, dialysis, so on and so forth. He is the recipient of 4 Avenues of Service Award and numerous citations. He has also been honored for his contribution by organizations other than Rotary. He is Mumbai President of Akhil Bharatiya Agrawal Sammelan for 6 years. He is trustee with Adarsh Ramlila Samiti, Vaishya Mahavidyalaya in Bhiwani, Haryana, Haryana Bhavan in Mumbai. The First Lady Archana ji is a businesswoman in her own rights. They are blessed with 3 daughters, Shruti, who is a fashion designer, Twinkle, a successful investment advisor, and Meha, well-known entrepreneur in the banking and confectionery business. As District Governor, he aspires to take Rotary to very high level of service to the underprivileged with the compassion that Rotary is famous for. So, A.G. Rajendra ji.
Thank you, Assistant Governor Lata, for sharing good words about me. Before I start, firstly I would like to congratulate Dream President Rajendra Shah and Parul.
for being installed as the 35th president of this club. तो ये क्लब की क्या हिस्ट्री है आज मैंने भी आज ही सुनी, इतनी डिटेल पता नहीं थी. तो इट्स अ वंडरफुल हिस्ट्री एट विद सच सीनियर मेंबर्स. आप लोग से इंटरेक्शन कई बार हुआ ही है. सो इट्स माय प्लेजर टू बी प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर टुडे. I also recognize amongst us the outgoing visionary president Sanjay Dwivedi, the incoming secretary of the club Chandar Suri. हमारे साथ में काफी और सीनियर मेरी ड्रीम टीम के मेंबर्स हैं. फर्स्ट आई विल रिकॉग्नाइज टू स्टार्ट विद आवर DGND अरुण भार्गव. As chief coordinator in my team and chief coordinator of your club, Rajan Dua, who is in charge of my installations and OCV for the full district 3141. I also recognize district secretary for your club, Sanjay Shah. My other assistant governor, Sneh Malhotra. And my district secretary, Devang Guradia. साथ में आज काफी सीनियर मेंबर्स भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट आए हुए हैं. आई कैन सी मिस्टर मोटवानी जी एंड सीनियर मेंबर्स ऑफ योर क्लब, spouses, friends, guests, road tractors, inner wheel members. So it is wonderful being amongst you, and 2 new members who were inducted today. It was nice knowing you were in KC College. I come from a club called Rotary Club of Bombay, Queen City. Queen City का baby है Road Track Club of KC College, and Manju Dijani ji is a honorary member of my club. So it is wonderful coming to your welcome to this beautiful club. As I move further, I would first like to start recognizing the efforts of your outgoing president Sanjay Dwivedi. Sanjay, you shared about your passion and you gave a wonderful presentation. I was really impressed कि आपने इतनी कूलली, इतनी अच्छी आवाज में शेयर किया. It was really impressive, and I can only just say कि आपने बहुत ही शानदार काम करे पूरे साल में, in spite of this difficult times. You also shared about the difficult times with your member Chirag Shah, and many of your family members were affected. In spite of that, you went on doing the work. You went on doing the opportunity given to you as the president of this prestigious club. You shared about the 2 global grants at Tata Hospital, which is a very big achievement. Hardly 15-20 club global grant कर पाते हैं. So you are one among the 15-20 clubs who have done global grants, and a big global grants at Tata Hospital. And not only global grant, you also shared about the 2 CSR projects your club has done. You shared about the heart surgeries, 17 heart surgeries. So congratulations for that. You saved lives of 17 children, which is a very, very important step. And Sanjay, let me share with all your members. All of you might not know, 2 lakh children are born every year with heart problem. इंडिया में 2 लाख बच्चे हर साल पैदा होते हैं, और उसमें से 40-50% मर जाते हैं because either they don't know or they cannot afford. So we hear of so many child deaths कि आज बच्चा 5 साल तक भी जिंदा नहीं रहा, 3 साल भी, मतलब so many children's death of children are because of unknown reasons. So this is one of the problems कि a child having a hole in the heart, not known, and they die. And very simple operation, and after this operation there is no follow-up required at all. Once this operation is done, the child lives normally lifelong. In fact, even I am a patient who had a hole in the heart and I was operated. I am there in front of you. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट सब लोग करते रहो और बच्चे इतने अवेलेबल हैं, it is only a little extra effort. So you just need the money and the involvement, and I will share with you how we got so many spouses present over here. ये प्रोजेक्ट में जुड़िए. जब आप ये प्रोजेक्ट में जुड़ोगे, आपको जो मजा आएगा ना, you will never forget in your life. I'll share as we go down further. So Sanjay, you also shared about 2 blood donation camps. Let me tell you, in this COVID times, there was no blood in the hospitals for surgeries. Many surgeries were cancelled, postponed because there was no blood. So please get along with your group of club. Sanjay, आपके ग्रुप को तैयार करिए. It costs 10-15,000 to do a camp, and you can get 50-100 bottles. और 10 क्लब मिलके 1000 रुपए लगेगा. You will collect 100 bottles and you will save 100 lives. So keep doing this round the year. It's a very small thing, but a very important. You shared about giving rations, cooked meals, which were also very important, and people did not have food to eat also. You all have done lots of projects on literacy, career guidance or panel discussion or distribution of notebooks and other things to the children. So literacy is a very important mission, and let me share with you, we got Shekhar Mehta as the incoming world president. I don't know whether all of you are aware, India is going to have from 1st of July, जब आपके राजेंद्र शाह प्रेसिडेंट बनेंगे, आपके क्लब के पूरे वर्ल्ड के प्रेसिडेंट अपने इंडियन राजेंद्र शेखर मेहता जी बन रहे हैं. शेखर मेहता जी is going to be the only 4th world president, 4th Indian to be the world president. So it's a very, very important year for you, me and all of us. So we should try to do maximum possible work during this year. ऐसे मौका चौथी बारी आया है, तो शेखर मेहता जी के टाइम में आप जितना काम करेंगे, जितने मेंबर ऐड करेंगे, ये एक इंडिया की शान है. तो प्लीज गो ऑल आउट टू ब्रिंग मोर मेंबर्स, ब्रिंग मोर money and do maximum work. And Rajesh Shah, आप तो करेंगे, you can see, go on till the last day of your year. जो भी काम सोचो, काम अपना हो जाएगा. पैशन होना चाहिए. आप जब काम सोचोगे ये काम करना है, तो पैसा भी आ जाएगा and कहाँ से पूरा हो जाएगा आपको पता नहीं लगेगा. I'll share 1 or 2 examples as we move further. So please do the maximum possible work with your members. So let's give a huge clap to your outgoing president Sanjay Dwivedi for the marvelous work. He shared about 63 projects worth 72.16 lakhs. Sanjay, wonderful work. Let us go to the plans of your incoming president Rajendra Shah. Rajendra Shah, जो मैंने आपको कहा कि आप पूरे साल में काम प्लान तो आपने पूरा बना ही लिया है. दिस शोज कि आपने कितने ध्यान से हमारे सब ट्रेनिंग सेमिनार अटेंड करे, जूम पे करे, लेकिन अटेंड करे, समझे, एंड यू चार्टेड आउट योर फुल प्लान व्हाट यू वांट टू डू विथ योर क्लब्स. You also attended the district training assembly with huge number of members from the club. So आपके बोर्ड ने आपके सब प्लान समझ लिए हैं and you have made a huge list of this. So पूरा प्लान जो आपको पूरा करना है शेखर जी के साल में, his main motto is each one bring one. रोटरी में पिछले 20 साल में, मोटवानी जी, पिछले 20 साल में रोटरी में पूरी दुनिया में 1.2 मिलियन मेंबर ही हैं. बढ़ते हैं वापस कम हो जाते हैं, बढ़ते हैं वापस कम हो जाते हैं. They don't stay there. Why they don't stay there? तो आज लोगों को रिटेन करना is a very important thing. I will share few examples from my life how you can retain members. Members stay only when you involve them. Otherwise member आते हैं, नहीं आते हैं, 7-2 साल इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. So members को इन्वॉल्व करिए और उनको प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व करिए and you will see they will not feel like leaving. जैसे आपके इतने पुराने मेंबर्स आज 50 मेंबर टिके हुए हैं, बाकी क्यों छोड़ के जाते हैं? Some members still come back. Now today only you got a घर वापसी of a new member. So I will share something about that. Rajesh Shah, you shared about the projects in all the field, whether it was education or disease or vocation or water sanitation, maternal child, youth, pandemic projects, again Annapurna, blood donation, tree plantation. You also shared about doing weekly meetings. Sipal ji, this is a very good thing I've seen कि आज rarely कोई club weekly meeting कर रहा है. In fact, just yesterday in one club I said कि don't do meetings, two meetings in a month. रोटरी में लोग भूल जाते हैं कि मीटिंग में आना है. आप लोग जो मीटिंग वीकली कर रहे हो इतनी सुंदर चीज है. संजय, I appeal to you, keep it a weekly meeting. भले जूम पे करो, भले को फिजिकल करो, भले प्रोजेक्ट्स करो, बिकॉज मेंबर को याद रहेगा थर्सडे है तो आज रोटरी में जाना है. तो whatever changes happen साल 2 साल में, the interest has gone little down. So this club is doing such a marvelous weekly meeting. I was surprised, you know. I think so you must be one of the very 2, 3, 4 clubs in Bombay doing weekly meetings. So Sanjay, सबको convince करिए, and Rajan, please promote this all over Bombay. Now let me share an example कि आज आपको प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व करके मेंबर को कैसे जब इन्वॉल्व होगे आप रिटेंशन लाओगे और कैसे मजा आएगा. I will share with you 2 examples. Rajesh, I'll share the 2 examples. हमारे क्लब में, I'm from Rotary Club of Bombay, Queen City. We got 105 members. And आज हमारा क्लब भी 92 का बना हुआ है. And we have hardly gone down. कभी नीचे गए लेकिन slowly we are going up only. So what we do is we try to take members to the projects. So what I'm appealing to you is आपके मेंबर को प्रोजेक्ट्स में ले जाने से क्या फायदा मिलने वाला है. In 2005-06 when I was the president of my club, I took 55 couples for a project of cataract surgery to Ganeshpuri in Palghar. अभी what is a cataract surgery? छोटी सी चीज अपने बोलते हैं आज अपने क्लब में 100 कर लिया 200 कर लिया, लेकिन एक मेंबर को प्रोजेक्ट में ले जाने से जो उनको रियलाइज होता है वो महसूस जब तक नहीं करेगा प्रोजेक्ट की वैल्यू नहीं समझेगा, रोटरी की वैल्यू नहीं समझेगा. वी टुक आवर मेंबर्स ओवर देयर. व्हाट इज अ कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी? कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी है कि आज 60 साल के हो गए, कैटरेक्ट होना दिखेगा नहीं, कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी कर लो, यू सी नॉर्मल. बट दैट इज फॉर यू एंड मी. इन अ रूरल विलेज अगर किसको कैटरेक्ट हो जाता है, एक सीनियर सिटीजन को कैटरेक्ट हो जाता है, आज मोटवानी जी तो इतना ऑपरेशन करा रहे हैं, बात समझते हैं, तो वो सीनियर सिटीजन को नजर नहीं आता है. वो इंसान घर के लिए एक बेकार आदमी हो जाता है. 2005-06 में when our club went to Ganeshpuri, 55 couples accompanied me for that project. The doctors shared कि we went on an outreach program. हम जाके गांव में पेशेंट को ढूंढ रहे थे. We found 3 ladies in a cattle shed of a hut. Why were they found? They were like a cattle because they could not see, they were useless. They were brought to the hospital, they were operated. Doctors said कि these 3 ladies have been operated with few thousand rupees of your club. And with these few thousand rupees of Rotary, these ladies will get vision back, they will get respect back. And they were introduced to us as daughter, mother and grandmother. Can you imagine कि members लोग को वो सुन के वो देख के क्या लगा उनको दिन. मोटवानी जी हमारे एक नए मेंबर हमारे साथ में चले थे 2005-06 में. For the first time after he came back उनका मेरे पास फोन आया कि ये प्रोजेक्ट देख के मेरे को लगता है कि मैं लाइफ में जितने लोगों को आपके लिए हेल्प कर सकूं, I'll be really obliged. Next month, as a new member in 2005-06, he gave $10,000. And till 2005 till today, he has given more than $1.5 lakh till today. So such visit to projects gives you membership, gives you retention, gives you money. And Rajan, the same member, on the installation of a new president 2 days back, he committed $28,000 for check dams. So आज ये इन्वॉल्वमेंट का मजा होता है. तो प्रोजेक्ट्स में प्लीज इन्वॉल्व होइए. एंड राजेंद्र शाह, आप लोग हार्ट सर्जरीज करते हैं, यू जस्ट शेयर्ड कि यू आर डूइंग सो मेनी हार्ट सर्जरीज। मेंबर्स को हार्ट सर्जरी प्रोजेक्ट में लेके जाइए, इनके थ्रू कोई बच्चा रिफर हो, इनको इन्वॉल्व रखिए फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग टिल द एंड। जब वो इन्वॉल्व रहेंगे दे विल रियलाइज कि कैसे एक बच्चे की तकलीफ, कैसे वो पेरेंट की तकलीफ है और आपने क्या किया है। आई शेयर विद यू स्मॉल एग्जांपल। अ रोटेरियन in Bombay called Deepa Goenka. She is assistant governor with me and वो 3-4 साल को जब पहले उनको पता लगा I'm looking after heart surgery project, she referred a child. She said एक बच्चा औरंगाबाद में है, my one friend has called up, can we help the child? तो I'm sharing the example for all of you कि साथ में प्रेजेंट साथ जुड़िए हार्ट सर्जरी में, क्या मजा आएगा आपको। तो दीपा गोइंका ने एक बच्चा रिफर किया। आई टोल्ड हर आई विल अटेंड टू दैट चाइल्ड बट आई वांट योर कमिटमेंट। जब तक आपका कमिटमेंट होगा नहीं होगा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला। आप रिफर करोगे, कोई फॉलो नहीं करेगा, पेरेंट्स आएंगे नहीं, नथिंग विल हैपन। शी कमिटेड टू फॉलो द चाइल्ड। राजन, शी फॉलोड द चाइल्ड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट मिनट। शी मेड अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इमीडिएटली between me, herself, the father of the child and the doctor at the hospital. She got the papers. Doctor said, please call the child urgently. The child travelled 48 hours in an ambulance from Aurangabad to Bombay. She followed up the child continuously. उनका इतना involvement था कि वो हर घंटे 2 घंटे follow कर रही थी कि एम्बुलेंस कहाँ पहुंची। The ambulance reached Bombay after 48 hours with stopover on the way in a hospital. बच्चा जब हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा रात को 12 बजे, so all the things were taken care of. It took 15 days जब तक हमने सब पैसा भी कलेक्ट कर लिया। 15 दिन लगे सर्जरी पूरा होने के लिए and successfully the operation was done. I will just make it short. But what happened with the involvement? I want all of you to also at least during the whole year एक बच्चे को फॉलो करो। राजेंद्र शाह, सबको एक इन्वॉल्व करिए। तो follow one child. When Deepa Goenka went for the discharge of the child, बच्चा डिस्चार्ज होके वापस जा रहा था। The father of that child told Deepa Goenka कि मैंने ये बच्चे का अभी तक नाम नहीं रखा है। And you have saved the life of this child, and you are the only one who has got right to name the child. Can you imagine the honor a Rotarian has got? तो she named the child, और आज भी वो बच्चे को अपना एक थर्ड बच्चा समझती है। हर महीने 2 महीने में मेरे को फोटो भेजती रहती है कि आज बच्चा बड़ा हो गया, उसका आज बर्थडे है, आज वो स्कूल जा रहा है। तो इट इज सच अ प्लेजर। एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, राजेंद्र शाह, नॉट ओनली दिस, द फादर ऑफ द चाइल्ड, ही स्टेज इन अकोला। I met him about a year back when I went to Akola for some work, and the father of the child, वो इतना मूड हो गया था, उसका बच्चे की जान बची थी, उसने अपना बच्चे का खाली नाम नहीं रखाया। He said, my full life will be now to find such children and send them to Bombay for surgery. Every month he sends minimum 1 child from Akola to Bombay for surgery at Wadia Hospital. तो आज रोटरी में क्या होता है कि प्रोजेक्ट एक बार नहीं करना है, आपको एक बार प्रोजेक्ट करके उसको एक ऐसा एक एक्सेलरेशन दे देना है कि वो चीज बार बार होती रहे कंटिन्यूअसली। So this is the power of Rotary. Rotary is not an ordinary organization. आज लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, कितनी गलत बात है, because involvement नहीं है। So if the involvement is there, लोगों को अगर मजा आएगा वो कभी छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे। I'll share with you what Rotary is going to do changes during this year. आज लता ने मेरा आज बायोडाटा पढ़ा, वो ऐसे नहीं पढ़ा है। I want this year to be a year of projects, but projects आप लोग करोगे, presidents और आप members लोग करोगे। I want every project to be practical. Project ऐसे होने चाहिए जो मैंने thrust area बनाए हैं, they should be practical and should happen easily. They should be doable, and project should make a difference. I call myself project should make a difference. What is make a difference? MAD is making a difference. I call myself a mad Rotarian. How to make a difference? And राजेंद्र शाह भी पूरे साल एज अ मैड प्रेसिडेंट मेरे साथ में काम करने वाले हैं। तो आई फील टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि ऐसे सब प्रोजेक्ट्स और बहुत मिलेंगे। और प्रोजेक्ट्स में जब पैशन होता है, जब कमिटमेंट होता है, जब भी प्रोजेक्ट पूरा होता है. प्रोजेक्ट विल नॉट हैपन इफ यू डोंट हैव द पैशन. जब आप कमिट करोगे और आपके मन में पॉजिटिव थॉट होगा कि मेरे को इसको सर्विस करना है, यू कैन सी द मैजिक हाउ द प्रोजेक्ट हैपेंस. कितना भी बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हो, प्रोजेक्ट में मतलब कोई छोटे बड़े से नहीं होता, प्रोजेक्ट पैशन से पूरा होता है. I'll share with you a small example. You were present at that heart transplant. आप आए थे तो आपके मेंबर को पता है उसके बारे में. I'll share with you a project of your area only. Rajan, a project of heart transplant. मैंने पिछले 5 साल में जो हार्ट सर्जरी करवाई है, 2500 कोऑर्डिनेट कराई है. So with my experience, I know how to collect the money, from where to collect the money. But what I do is कि पैसा कलेक्ट होता है, लेकिन पैसा जब भी कलेक्ट होता है, when I say, I never say no to anybody. कोई भी आ जाए, now with the power of so many projects, I can just say we will do something. I always say, I never say no. तो I want all of you, कभी आपको कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले to help anybody, don't ever say no. आपको कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, not only for heart, anything. I'll share lastly in the end कि आपको कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके प्रेसिडेंट इस साल देने वाले हैं टू हेल्प. तो व्हेन यू डोंट से नो, कितना भी बड़ा काम हो, काम कैसे हो जाता है. I'll share with you a small example. I helped a girl for heart transplant 3 years back at Fortis. That was referred by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. About 1.5 years back, I got a chance to help a second child because they could know. The hospital knew कि आज इनको फोन कर दो, पैसा थोड़ा बहुत तो करा ही देंगे. तो हॉस्पिटल ने एक पेशेंट को रिफर किया. The father of that child is a small reporter called Dinesh Dubey. He is a small reporter in Bombay in Malad. He one day called me कि मेरा बड़ा बच्चा हार्ट अटैक से मर चुका है. My second child has got a heart problem and he requires heart transplant. Heart transplant is something which costs 20 lakh rupees. It is not a small amount, but with I said नहीं, we will definitely do something because मैंने देखा है जब हाँ बोलते हैं पूरी दुनिया लग जाती है पैसा कलेक्ट करने के लिए. मेरे को तो कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ता है, खाली हाँ बोलना पड़ता है. So आज मैंने उसको बुलाया, मिले and we started collecting the money, but lockdown came. लॉकडाउन के अंदर वो भी भूल गया, मैं भी भूल गया बिकॉज इट वॉज सच ए लॉकडाउन. यू नो ऑल नो, दुनिया पूरी एक स्टॉप पर आ गई थी. 3 months बैक मेरे को सडनली ख्याल आया कि वो बच्चे की क्या हालत है, वो फादर की क्या हालत है. तो जब कुछ ख्याल आता है, इट इज़ ए इंडिकेशन बाय द यूनिवर्स, इट इज़ ए इंडिकेशन ऑफ एनर्जी कि योर अटेंशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. I immediately called up the father of the child. He started crying loudly. My son's heart is working only 15%. If money is not collected, he will expire very, very soon. Please do something. मैंने उसको कमिट किया कि नहीं, जरूर करेंगे, जरूर कुछ ना कुछ जल्दी करेंगे. Don't worry. Look at the power of energy and positive energy and commitment. As soon as I kept the phone, next second I get a message from another Rotarian. The message was from a Rotarian called Pradeep Goyal. His message was कि I have a child requiring heart transplant. Can you help him? He knew of my previous history. तो आज वही बच्चे के बारे में वो रिफर कर रहे थे. It was a magic of the universe. I immediately called him up कि आज I know about this father also. And we will definitely do something. He said, मैं 20 साल से फादर को जानता हूँ, very genuine person, please save this child. And he also said, even I will give 1 lakh rupees and raise more money, but please do something urgently. So राजेंद्र शाह, जब भी कोई प्रोजेक्ट में इंसान पैसा देता है, तो he has got the power to ask more money. So जब भी कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आए, give something little from your side. When you will give, you will have the power to ask a member. And I appeal to all your members also. आप भी लाइफ में जो कमाते हो, छोटा परसेंटेज, maybe even 1%, maybe even few 100 rupees, please keep giving. When you keep giving money, you open a pipeline to receive money. Bill Gates साल में $200 million रोटरी को देता है. And he says कि इतना देने के बाद भी I earn 5-10 times more after that. I don't know what to do. So आज एक देने का एक एनर्जी जो होती है is a huge energy. So Pradeep Goyal committed 1 lakh rupees and I told Pradeep Goyal कि मेरे को भी ये काम सीखना है आपसे, तो मैं भी 1 लाख कमिट करता हूँ. Even I'll give the money and I will collect more money. Rajan, after that immediately I called up the hospital. आपके Fortis hospital में you all know CEO is Rinku. I called her up. She was so happy कि आपने बोले पहले भी हेल्प किया हुआ है, आपकी ग्लोबल ग्रांट्स भी चल रही है, आपका फोन आ गया, अभी वो बच्चे का हमारी जिम्मेवारी है, उसके हार्ट ढूंढना करना इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Within 2 hours I get a phone call from the hospital. There is a brain dead child in the hospital and we are trying to match that heart to that boy. But it was bad luck, वो हार्ट मैच नहीं हुआ. बट ये एनर्जी देखिए, अगले 3 दिन में पूरा पैसा कलेक्ट हो गया, 20 लाख रुपीस. एंड राजन, द सेम Rotarian from a club who in 2005 gave $10,000, we approached him, and as soon as we approached him for this child, I knew the passion. जब प्रोजेक्ट में पैशन होता है, एक कमिटमेंट होता है, एनर्जी होती है, एक स्टोरी होती है, तो पैसा आता है. जैसे पिक्चर में सुनते हैं ना, एक पैशन होना चाहिए, इमोशन होना चाहिए. So Rajan, I called up this member, 2005 member. You know what was his answer? Whatever is the shortfall, please inform me. So ये होता है एक डोनर का कमाल, एक लोगों को जान बचाना. So हमने 3 दिन में पूरा पैसा कलेक्ट कर लिया and after 7 days I got a call from the hospital. We have found a heart is matching और रात को सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेशन पूरा हो गया उसका बच्चा. Not only that, next day I called up the father and that father was crying loudly, but he said, today I'm not crying dukhi se, lekin today I'm the happiest father in this world. My child has been saved. After 1 week, आपके मुलुंड के 15 प्रेसिडेंट्स मेंबर्स आए थे साथ में, आपके प्रेसिडेंट भी साथ में थे, राजन दुआ साथ में थे, संजय शाह, स्नेह मल्होत्रा, सब लोग साथ में थे. यू वोंट बिलीव, हम वहाँ गए एंड हमारे साथ में जो रोटेरियन जो आए थे, his name was Pradeep Goyal. I shared with you. Pradeep Goyal is the elder brother of the railway minister, commerce minister of India. He said, even I want to come and give the check to that child, to the father. He came all the way from Worli to Mulund Hospital. हमने फादर को चेक दिया और फादर अपनी स्टोरी शेयर कर रहे थे. जब स्टोरी शेयर कर रहे थे, सबके आंख में आंसू थे. एंड it was so emotional. So in fact आप जब वो की स्टोरी सुनते सुनते राजन दुआ लिटरली खड़े होके बोले कि अभी और कितना रुलाओगे, अभी तो चुप हो जाओ. एंड आफ्टर दैट हमको किसको हिम्मत नहीं थी जाके बच्चे से मिलने के लिए. राजन दुआ had got a gift for the child. So we told Sneh Malhotra कि please go and give a gift to the child. When she went to give a gift to the child told her कि an innocent child कि 1 हफ्ते बाद मैं घर जाऊंगा, will you come and play cricket with me? So रोटरी में आप देखिए कितना पैशन इमोशन होता है जब प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़ते हैं. और आप भी यहाँ इतने आप स्पाउसेस हो, सब लोग साथ में जुड़िए. स्नेह मल्होत्रा इज योर गाइड, एडवाइजर, राइट. मतलब वो इतने प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़ी हुई मेरे साथ में कि मैं तो 10 स्टोरी बता सकता हूँ इनकी. सो स्नेह, आपका कमिटमेंट है, ये क्लब के सब मेंबर को इन्वॉल्व करिए, सबको एक ऐसी स्टोरी में इन्वॉल्व करिए कि वो भी याद करेंगे कि हमने भी लाइफ जी है, एक बच्चे की जान बचाई है. प्लीज. सो दिस इज few things I want to share with you. Again, like I said, I can keep going on and on and on many things. लेकिन one last thing is कि आज आप लोग को ये सब चीज से जुड़ के दुनिया भर की खुशी मिलेगी. And खुशी is the only thing in life. I say the purpose of life is only happiness and satisfaction which you get by only doing such projects. So this year I am doing a very special thing. Sanjay, what was the theme of your Rotary year? Rotary opens opportunity was the theme of his year. So वो मैं थीम चोरी कर रहा हूँ और ड्रीम ईयर में उसको मैं दे रहा हूँ. Rotary is going to open opportunities to all the 5,000 members of Bombay. How it is going to open the opportunity? राजन, ये opportunity ऐसे खोल रहे हैं कि बम्बई में 50 क्लब अलग अलग काम करते हैं. 50 क्लब अलग अलग ऑपरेशंस करते हैं, जान बचाने की अलग अलग चीज कर रहे हैं, बट वी डोंट नो, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल नो कि आज अगर कोई बच्चों को सुनता नहीं है तो हाउ कैन यू हेल्प अ चाइल्ड? भूपेंद्र जी, आर यू अवेयर? आज बच्चों को अगर सुनता नहीं है, वो जन्म भर बोलेगा भी नहीं, और अगर वो बच्चा बोलेगा नहीं, क्या हालत उसकी होगी जिंदगी भर, और क्या हालत उसकी फैमिली की होगी. Yesterday in a club I was sharing this example. Someone got up, राजन, जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड का लड़का 22 साल का हो गया, वो बोलता नहीं है, उसको वो टाइम मालूम नहीं था. अगर उसको मालूम होता तो आज उसका बच्चा ये हालत पे नहीं होता. So this surgery in Bombay is done by few Rotary clubs. I realize the importance of this. 50,000 children are born every year who can't hear, and hardly 20-30% get operated, rest stay like this. That's why we got this deaf and dumb schools all over. So Rotary में ये साल हमने special avenue बनाया है on cochlear implant. What is a cochlear implant? अगर एक बच्चे के कान के यहाँ एक cochlear implant लग जाता है, तो बच्चा जिंदगी भर सुनेगा, बोलेगा, and normal बच्चा बन जाएगा. So this operation is available to everyone. This is one of the opportunities I'm sharing. तो ये ऑपरेशन, ये साल 200 ऑपरेशन होने वाले हैं. एक ऑपरेशन का 7 लाख रुपया कॉस्ट है. But with my experience, we have raised most of the money. What we require is only 2 lakh rupees out of the 7 lakh rupees. 5 lakhs will come from other sources. 3 hospitals, Cooper, Nanavati and SRCC hospitals are doing this. तो कभी कोई भी बच्चा मिले requiring cochlear implant, just one phone call to राजेंद्र शाह, और वो बच्चों के साथ में इन्वॉल्व होइए और वो बच्चों को देखिए बोलते हुए. ऐसी कई चीज आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी अपनी GML में. गवर्नर्स मंथली लेटर इज गोइंग टू कंटेन अ पेज ऑफ रोटरी ओपनिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, वेदर इट इज कॉकलर इम्प्लांट, वेदर इट इज जयपुर फुट. जो आदमी का पाँव नहीं होता, ही इज ड्रैगिंग हिमसेल्फ इन हिज लाइफ. वन रोटेरियन कॉल्ड मी 2 months बैक अबाउट अ लेडी. दैट लेडी वेंट ड्रैगिंग and came back walking. Our one Rotarian Rajiv Mehta gives unlimited Jaipur food. Patient भेजो, उनको पाँव दे देंगे. तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट, कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी, डायलिसिस सर्जरी, तो ऐसे मैं आपको 50 प्रोजेक्ट देने वाला हूँ सबको. राजेंद्र शाह is going to share with you, and in every month GML this will come. प्रोजेक्ट में आप जुड़ोगे तो आपको दुनिया भर की खुशी मिलेगी, and you will never forget कि you have been a Rotarian. That is why you got this opportunity. And lastly, Rajendra Shah, I'll share with you, जो बोला मैं purpose of life is happiness and satisfaction. देवांग, purpose of life is nothing else. लाइफ में मुर्दे की पॉकेट में जेब नहीं होती है, साथ में कुछ नहीं जाने वाला. लाइफ में I can share with commitment कि आप जो खाना पीना करते हो रोज, आपको एक हफ्ते का पुराना भी याद नहीं रहेगा आपने क्या खाया था. एक महीने का या कुछ याद नहीं रहने वाला. What you eat on a regular basis, what you earn is forgotten like a temporary memory of a computer. But आपको जो लाइफ के खुशी के मोमेंट्स हैं, जब सोशल वर्क करते हो, वो जो आपको खुशी मिलती है, वो आप कभी भी नहीं भूलोगे. You can go back 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 40 years. आपको याद आ जाएगा कि आपको लाइफ में क्या चीज से खुशी मिली थी. So these happy moments of life, of your life, your family life, your social work life, your projects you do, is a permanent memory. And this permanent memory of yours is stored into your hard disk. Hard disk कहाँ रखी हुई है? It is there in your soul. And this hard disk of memories of your soul is the only thing which goes with you and comes back in the next life. So collect maximum of such happy moments, and your present is going to give you unlimited moments. And I just say ये happy moments की ड्रीम ईयर में ये इतनी बरसात करने वाले हैं कि आप लोगों को जितना इकट्ठा करना हो happy moments कलेक्ट कर लेना. That's all from me. Thank you very much. This is the discount of 2022. We are going to do a one-day discount at NSCI Dome. So please come in large numbers. We will open it up soon. अभी एक थोड़ा कोविड खत्म हो जाए. म्यूजिक नहीं आया.
आवाज नहीं आई.
These are 18 thrust areas of the year. मैंने जो बताया ना, projects are going to be practical, doable, and will make a difference. So these are the. This is a cycle rally from Delhi to Bombay for water awareness. These are child surgeries. This is the cataract-free Palghar I was talking about. Look at this fruit tree, the farmers project which you are doing. Bagban, women empowerment, girl empowerment. This project is very special to Shekhar Mehta. Please get involved with these projects. Improvement of the slum and BMC schools. Cochlear implant. अन्नपूर्णा जो आपके क्लब का काफी पॉपुलर प्रोजेक्ट है. We are going to distribute 1 million meals. We are going to do heart surgery for international children from Africa. Projects at the railway stations, Swachh Mumbai. Revive your old project. आपके पुराना प्रोजेक्ट हो उसको रिवाइव करिए, रिकंडीशन करिए. Organ donation. Painting competition for 1 lakh children. आपके भी 2 ट्रैक स्कूल है, तो प्लीज टेक पार्ट इन दिस. MSME and disability. I talked about Jaipur food and some program for the armed forces. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajendra ji. As a token of gesture, I would request Rajendra Shah to kindly hand over a check for district general fund to our chief guest. Friends, before going forward, I would like to recognize the presence of incoming Innerville President Gursharan Kaur Bedi ji. Welcome, ma'am. Innerville incoming Secretary Vijay Motwani. Rotarian Amit and Tejal Seth from RC Powai Club. Rotarian Anand Lakhani from Rotary Club of Mulund East. Rotarian Sushant Gaikwad from Rotary Club of Mulund Valley. Welcome, Sushant. Rotarian CN Balakrishnan from Valley. Welcome, Bala. And District Secretary Devang Goradia. Welcome, Devang. Friends, it is a very proud moment for our club that our Rotaractor, Jamin Chirag Shah, has been elected as the District Rotaract Representative, DRR, for Rotary year 22-23. I would request District Governor-elect Rajendra ji to kindly do the honors of presenting a memento to Jamin, and would request Sanjay and RK to come forward. I request Jamin's mom Sejal and brother Rahul to join us on the stage. Congratulations, Jamin, and wishing you all the very best. Friends, it is said the club bulletin is the mirror of the activities of the club. To showcase our club, may I invite Rotarian Rajendra Shah, club bulletin editor Rotarian Sanjay Divedi, to come forward, and I would request Chief Guest to release the first bulletin of Dream Year. I would request District Secretary Sanjay Shah to be on the dais, please, to give away the certificates.
Good evening, friends. I am happy to give this certificate of commitment to President Rajendra Shah of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills for committing to add 10 new members and 21% growth during the Dream Rotary Year 2021-22. On the installation day 29 June 21, signed by DG Rajendra Agarwal ji and Anand Ramnani, Avenue Chair for Membership Recruitment. Friends, there is one more certificate. I am sure what I am going to read, Rajendra is going to surpass that amount. So it's TRF commitment certificate presented as gold certificate. This certificate is proudly presented to Dream President Rotarian Rajendra Shah and TRF team of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills for accepting a dream target of $10,000 US contributions toward TRF in 21-22. Presented again on 29 June, signed by Rajendra ji, Kamlesh Kharade, Avenue Chair for TRF, and Rotarian Chetan Desai, Principal Head for TRF. So Rajendra, I am sure you are going to cross this limit with motivation from you.
I would just say कि जब जो मैंने बात शेयर करी थी, जब प्रोजेक्ट्स में जुड़ के खुशी मिलती है, तो I would appeal to all of you, आपके सर्कल में चारों तरफ देखिए and give opportunity to others also to get this happiness. Rotary platform is to do service projects and get happiness, which is available only with such platforms. आदमी इंसान अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता. To help your president to get more members, I want each one to get one. Our world president of Rotary, Shekhar Mehta, की theme है each one get one. So give an opportunity. Just look around in your contacts कि who else around you can benefit by becoming a Rotarian. If you invite 5, even if one become a member, so आज क्या होगा? इनकी membership 50 के 10% नहीं होगी, 20% नहीं होगी, 100% होगी. So more hands, more work, and more hands, more money. So I just say he's going to exceed 100% in membership and huge, maybe a 0 more in TR.
Thank you, District Secretary Sanjay Shah. Now I would invite President-elect Rotarian C.A. Sharad Shah to propose formal vote of thanks. Sharad
Thank you, Shripal. Friends, a very good evening. All good things do come to an end, and today's charter night and installation program at RC of Mulund Hills is also drawing to close. I have the honor and privilege to present a hearty vote of thanks. I, on behalf of our president and entire club, thank our Dream Year DG, Rotarian Rajendra Agrawal, for his gracious presence and his motivating address to the gathering. With your support, sir, our dreams would come true in the ensuing year 21-22. We are thankful to PDG Rotarian Shashi Sharma for his presence virtually. We are thankful to AG Our thanks are due to DGND 2324 Rotarian Arun Bhargava for his gentle presence. We are thankful to AG Rotarian Lata Jha for introducing our DG. Our thanks are also due to AT Rotarian Raj Khosla, District Secretary Rotarian Sanjay Shah, District Coordinator Rotarian Rajan Dua, AG Sneh Malhotra, Rotarian Devang Boradia, Rotarian Kamlesh Karade, and Rotarian Chetan Desai, and other district officials for their amiable presence, physically as well as on virtually. I acknowledge the presence of Senior Rotarian Ramesh Motwani, father of our club. I also acknowledge the presence of DRR 2223 Jamin Chirag Shah. I would like to thank all the fellow Rotarians from many clubs of Mulund and other clubs, and also from other suburbs. We welcome new members inducted today, Sandeep Dixit and Disha Nagda. In the end, I would like to thank the management and staff of Satkar Grand for making good arrangements and for the ceremony in these difficult times. I will fail in my duty if I do not acknowledge all the members, aunts and aunts of Rotary Club of Mulund Hills for their wholehearted support. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharaji. Please welcome Club Secretary Rotarian Chandrakant Suri for his first secretarial announcement of Dream Year 21-22.
Good evening. Today attendance is 76, Rotarian 25, new Rotarians 2, and 18, chief guest 1, district official 10, other guests 10, and on Zoom 10. So there are 66 people or Rotarian and which are present here in this room, which is a good gathering. Now tomorrow we are having a project for distribution of raincoat, umbrella, sandal, and at Khindi Pada, Balbadi at 11 a.m. I request everyone to please come. As DG Rajendra Agrawal said that we should participate in the project. So here is another opportunity immediately after today, that is tomorrow, to come for the project. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharaji.
Before you
I